What go on with people? Big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. My name is Akin. Welcome. So I'm in Negril. This is the golf course. Have to be constantly checking this place because snakes. In my humble opinion, snake infested area. I ran into another snake, guys, yesterday I believe, but I was without the camera, so couldn't get any clips to show you. So yeah, not too worried though about the snakes because I'm learning that snakes from Jamaica aren't poisonous. So not too worried, but still have to be checking. Yes. The last time we spoke was when I was telling you guys about Richard Brown, Fire Ras, the whole team making a movie surrounded around love. Well, the Rastaman perspective on love, what he sees love to be in the form of a movie. So yes, so from then till now it's the same thing: filming, editing, trying to get out work, entertaining work, so you guys can be entertained by that. So from then until now, that is what has been happening. If you guys haven't seen that movie, Three Sisters, it's on Jamaiwood. Definitely go over there and check it out. I will put a link in the description. Definitely go over there and check it out. Big up yourself, Miss, what's your name again? Shantai Wilson, Bieber, a thiefing sister. Big up yourself. So definitely go over there and check out that video. Well, that movie. What we're doing in this video is we're going to get some behind the scenes, different kind of behind the scenes in this time around, guys, because we're going to try and catch the candid ones. So the little mistakes, the little probably disagreements, nothing outrageous that does not belong on the internet, but you know, human side of people that can always be forgiven. So yes, we're going to get some candid behind the scenes, but before we do that, we're going to speak to Honey's mommy. You don't know who is Honey's mommy? Monique. Monique, can you?
Yannick.
You haven't seen that movie? Where is Honey? Definitely, I'm going to put a link. Richard Brown's channel. Definitely go over there and check out that movie. Where is Honey? It's amazing. That's all I can say. Definitely go over there and check it out. So in relation to that movie, I spoke to her mother, Honey's mom. So found out how she met Curious, how she met Richard Brown, got into making movies, Jamaican movies and all of that. So caught up with her, did a little video. I'm going to share it with you guys, and then we jump right into the candid behind the scenes. So yep, and if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and leave a like on the video. So yep, we're going to see Honey's mommy. But before that, get some visuals, see Honey's mommy, and then we get into the BTS. So yep, visuals.
Guys, you know, and bag of things go on. Let's try to get that thing done because it's launching next channel now, Jamaiwood, you see. So a bag of things, so we have enough work for this. Man, that's not yet, man. A bag of things go on.
We're talking to beautiful people again. I know it's been a while, but we kind of short our resources. That's why I'm not upload as often. One camera we're down to, so yeah. But fortunately, now make that get another way. Miss Monique.
Yannick.
Monique, can you?
Yannick.
It's a good thing, sir. No? It's a good thing, sir. Yeah, tell a little bit about yourself, Miss Yannick. From?
Originally from Manchester. I grew up in Betheltown and I'm now living in Negril. Well, I know Fire from a long time. Used to buy a movie from him, and a couple years ago he asked me if I want to come in a movie and I said no. So, because I never know when I'm there, and I did kind of afraid. Running at him a couple months ago, and him asked me again and I said yes, but me never come nowhere. So last month no, in February, up on YouTube I watched the video them and I say them look good content and everything good. So I say, no, so I go call up Fire. I never have your number, so I link Popeye. And then, you know, Popeye give me a number, I call him, and that's that. So,
Alright, get it afraid. We understand. You're a woman, them not treat the woman them right, you did have a right to be afraid. So, acting. Was it always a passion, something you always want to do?
Kind of.
So you get support?
Yeah.
Family
From my family and my friends.
What them say?
Even today, me dey home and my cousin text me, and I say, yo fam, you know, I'm going to one bar and see them and watch some Jamaican movie, and then me glimpse you, and me I tell them say, yo, my family that you know, and them I say, no, so I lie. So I'm show them my mother picture and then me. So family wise, yeah, me get the support. Friend love me same way. Yeah, me feel nice because when I'm there serve and me and my mask and my eyeglass and this guy said to me, say, yo mama, I love your movie them, you know. So yeah, me kind of feel good about it. Definitely. It's a good look. Yeah, me like, so when I watch my movie them, me just feel proud of myself. You know, me know say there's room for growth. So once me there on Fire and the rest of the team, yeah, I elevate myself. So that's that.
Miss Annie, if you have to sing Larry out, because you're nice, you have to sing Larry out and put her alone. Yeah. Yes, so hold on, let me clean off his lens. So yeah guys, that's Honey's mommy, or the young lady that played Honey's mom. The environment looks different, yes, because hours passed since I left you guys to watch that video. It was raining. I went into Negril Town to get some shirts, plain white shirts, because that's the only thing I really wear. So first behind the scenes is happening over here, so we're going to sneak in, take a peek and see what's happening. So let's do that.
Well, see the account number here 604-143160. Please remember, every mickle make a muckle.
Alright, thank you very much, Rudy. And again, if anyone knows the whereabouts of Mr. Chubby, we're appealing to you to come and assist your baby mama. She needs your help. Me not done.
Okay, I am Christian.
Me not done.
Remember I said Chubby no know say she pregnant, you know, you remember.
You know now?
Yeah, no man know, yeah.
Alright. And again, thank you for tuning into Jamaican Movie TV. I am your host, Tracy and Blair. Have a blessed evening.
So, you know, say wait a moment, let's listen to. You know, I'm on TV, alright. You said you want it.
MP, when we make one
You don't take him mic and say no long walk up on TV.
Yeah, thank you, mommy, for coming interview me. No, I'm walking on TV.
And the MP big $1,000. Although we can't see that from where.
No, let the MP alone. I know she walk up on TV and then.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for tuning into Jamaican TV. I am your host.
Wait, mom, I have something to say. Well, thanks me for coming on TV, you know, a long time. I come up here, you know. Hi, Jamaica.
Up here, you know, we walk up on TV. Yeah, that day, as she come to you.
Yeah, that's it.
You know, just say no long
You walk up on TV.
We have to start all over?
No, just the last one. I am Tracy and Blair. Make sure you
I
say your name
am
first.
Tracy and grab the mic. I am Tracy and Blair. So wait a minute.
Go.
I am Tracy and Blair. No, you have to look like you're not on the mic.
Wait again. Action.
I am Tracy and Blair.
Well, thanks for interviewing me. You know, long walk up on TV.
Thank you very much, Rudy. I'm the hostess. I'm your hostess with the mostess. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You must profile.
Alright, ready.
Profile.
I think no. Alright, no, Papa, go to here. Papa, go to
So she
here.
don't from up in a lie though.
The next scene, I know Papa will come with.
Oh, before do one part with you in the interview.
Go ahead, audio song.
You're not going to take a shot.
Not yet.
So subconscious
We have 2 more shots to do video. We have to hurry up, you know.
Which way they look like now?
We have 2 more shots we did. We have to run go up so where bad road there and make a talk about the bad road. And she talk about you. I want to talk about you with bad too.
Hello, Miss Newscaster.
the hostess with the mostess.
Alright. Papa, you ready?
That's what I see them, no man.
Pass that shit them. Oh God.
She them find us up.
Good point there. Pass that shit them now. Alright.
We're coming to quarter food.
Sir, do I have to walk with the mic?
No, just hold it for me.
Can you go to
Yeah, but we don't need that.
So, Mr. Brown, quick, because me catching you behind the scenes late. So tell me what did I go in another room now?
Oh, well, you don't know we have to depict anything we showcase sufferation. So this is a part of it where homeless. Well, don't say homeless. Well, you know,
a person who's in need then.
Yeah, somebody who is in need
Or facing
and
financial
see a look help from the government. So we just use like our TV station to depict that. You see me?
Yeah. So give me one little in as to what the entire movie about. Me not ask him much, just one little bit as
We
to.
just a showcase all form of sufferation in Jamaica. You know what I say in terms of to showcase say, oh, we know a war here. You see me? Yeah. I say movie name curious? War here, yeah.
And comedic fashion, right?
No man, serious.
Serious?
Serious something.
Ready now?
We don't know Jamaicans ever take anything
You coming?
Papa, I just get you coming there.
Alright, so you heard Mr. Brown, you saw the environment. We didn't get much, but we have a little bit of idea as to what the movie is talking about. So it's placing some emphasis on poverty. But beside the point, you guys should definitely subscribe, and I'm saying this about the millionth time now. Go over there, check out Richard Brown channel, subscribe to all the stuff, and Jamwood as well. But did you guys realize the amount of persons that are in the room? That's teamwork right there, guys. And it's amazing. That's all I can say. It's amazing. So we're going to go back, see if we can get somewhere behind the scenes, and yeah, as me said, get to behind the scenes, see what going on under this. So, I don't know my love woman, guys. So I'm going to take one next one of them. See her here. She going to tell you a little bit about what going on in this. I'll do over here from Mr. Brown. She going to tell you a little bit about what going on. What did I do in this hour? Like I miss. First, what is your name?
I am Everly.
And Everly, you're an actress.
I am one of their actresses, yes.
So how long have you been a part of this?
Not very long. I cannot put my finger. I cannot tell you how long, but not very long.
So Mr. Brown tell us poverty and all of that are going in that scene a while ago. But you tell me a little bit about it. What was happening with you?
Alright, so what I was doing in brief, I was interviewing the young lady in regards to her situation and her financial constraints, hoping that Jamaica would tend an ear to her situation and provide her with some assistance. So it's about poverty, and it's about what we face as a people on a day-to-day basis.
Rastafari. So, don't ask me, I don't know if she's single, I don't know if she have a man, I don't know nothing about that. But when you hear what she's doing this, so I could go in again and get some more behind the scenes. Thank you, Miss Everly.
You're most welcome.
Only 2 mango reply to myself.
Thank you, more nice. Me and the few of them by yourself. So I'm going to give me a bigger one.
That's why you have a big belly, so you look too much big things.
No, can't laugh,
No,
can't
can't laugh. Go on.
Can't laugh.
Alright, let's put that shop on, no problem.
People
Alright,
want to see a mockery.
where got you closing? Can we have a close the scene? Where close the scene?
Come give me mango.
Alright, Popeye. Give her back your mango and then wish her all the best and then left her. Ain't tell her. And action.
Yeah, alright. Now we're so I wish you all the best, and somebody else must have come help with MTL. See me?
Why you mean do look on the mango?
Jesus Christ, Chang. The man came and hold box of food come here and tell the man say mean.
No,
Wait, thank you man for carrying come here.
Slow
back down. Slow back. I'm in the way, man. I'm going to come back and walk with you. Don't bite the mango yet.
I don't know, alright.
Give back the mango. Give back the mango.
Bite the mango already.
No, give him back.
Give me big one back, Papa. I don't bite this.
Papa, you can't be going over there.
No, we said to come.
Hold on.
Chang again.
Yeah, me tell you. Yeah, mango. Ready, action.
Alright. Now we see again, and somebody else must have come and help you soon. You know
Now
what?
make you stay so. Make you give me the class mango out of your bag. And after me, you get them back.
$10 with the one mango you get.
No, Papa, I'm not doing it back over. You just give girl food and tap over your box.
You're ready for YouTube, dog.
Come back again, man. Sure. Yeah, that's the first thing.
Alright.
Be tell you, give back your mango, Chang.
He don't bite here, so just catch it
No,
from
you
here.
need 2 shots. Give him back your mango.
Papa, I don't touch part of my feel.
No.
Give me big
Alright,
one.
just put in your hand and make him stretch again.
Just
Now,
me
take
big
it.
one, me
No,
not-
just make him pretend like in here. Me tell you, and you start.
Papa,
And
don't-
hold on. And action.
Alright, yeah. You see again, somebody must
Say
help you.
I tell say I can 2 mango come and look at me and give me the class one.
I should have said that you get mango and goods.
Thanks you good. Remember me not have no stove and no toilet.
Somebody with your one.
Alright, check me back.
So come on, disgusting bag.
Oh my god, she sounds so ghetto.
Alright, good. Curious, how come next, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
right
yeah.
there.
Call Curious.
Let's go, Papa. Should I give me big mango?
Fire!
So, Mr. Brown,
No, God, no.
why you tell me? Zane, because me want to learn. What are some of the difficulties you face when you film like this? Is noise a problem? Tell me.
I really face no difficulty because I kind of get used to the whole environment and the whole shooting aspect of movie and all. So, I 1, 2, 3, man. I think the most difficult part sometimes I just say nice. Cause we live at Jamaica and Jamaica nice is bad, you know, man. If I know somebody a play music or somebody a chat, a bike a pass. So I think that's the only difficulty.
Alright, but most importantly, you enjoy yourself, right?
As always.
Wonderful.
Call Curious! That Chang look like he's comfortable. I'm going to make a movie in Chang.
When a young boy will take him over here.
Eh?
When a young boy will take him over here.
Where's you taking up in the belly, that's all?
Yeah, young boy them.
Hey, that Chang. When a young boy will take you up in the belly around with you, you know.
Oh gosh, no.
Ready? Alright, you're coming. Popeye! Popeye! Popeye!
Don't hear me, man, this thing.
Yeah, see you man primary.
I'm just going to check out. You know what I mean? As I walk on.
You don't come
You
here.
know,
Rasta.
I'm going to carry the newspaper to move it to the scene.
Oh, you carry newspaper come
I'm the news, I'm going to carry the news team. I'm going to carry, I'm going to carry
So,
everybody.
Papa, I don't give me no money.
You not get no money yet?
No.
Alright, later I'm going to give you money.
No, at least you have to at least tip me and say new scene.
First he has a slipper.
High five. Ready?
Alright, so I'm just walk you chain and see me now, I'm going to make you walk in. Alright, so Curious, just walk you just say first 2 sentences and walk in. Hold on.
Then you walk in.
Yeah, let me go in closer.
You can actually sit up, you know, because I see him there.
Sit down, no chance.
Sit down up and take over this side.
I want a lazy pregnant man. Sit down.
She's pregnant, leave her alone.
Sit down
Sit
up.
down, no chance.
Let's pass there.
Oh, you know what? You want to that closer show.
No, I can't show because I know me I can't let it come. I tell you, you never link.
So I see him close. Papa, you want to. All I have got me, I see him there.
I say, put him out.
Yes, it's I want close, chang up.
No, but that's I tell you to cover him. I want to cover him.
She never forgot close.
Let me tell him
But
cover
the door
him.
just show up slightly, it's not alright.
Yes, I mean I said, but no.
Good, yeah.
I don't want to put me on
No, you wore two. I saw the two. I don't know what happened.
Just two in the movie.
Probably under the box. Nope, nope.
On the box.
So, for your Ras, one question. After this scene. After this scene. What do we do after this? Are we doing any other scenes apart from this one?
No, don't here now.
Okay.
I'm tired of the movie.
So guys, as you would have heard, Curious himself, Fire us, them a finish up. That's the last scene. Bike nice. As you would hear Mr. Brown say as well, Jamaica this and nice. So nice always there somewhere cause some kind of distraction or disturbance or whatnot. But you know, don't have to work with the thing. So yes, as you would hear Curious, Fire us, them a finish up. That's the last scene. So we talk to Mr. Brown, we talk to one of the actress, what's her name again? Everly. So she basically said the same thing that Mr. Brown said, and again, make sure I think I'm telling them to subscribe to Richard Brown more than how I'm telling them to subscribe to this channel. So yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on the video, and you know, definitely stay tuned for more of this. And of course, we do other videos where we go out and interview business places, you know, find out where the business is coming from, how the individual started the business from ground up. So yes, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. Not going to give it away, but we might go to Lunacy Inn and interview that retired, what's her occupation again? Physician, retired physician. So definitely stay tuned. I might get an interview there. Subscribe. Papa, behave yourself. The whole world watch out. So back in the editing room.